Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to download the Hamster Kombat app on your device in just a few simple steps, let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head over to your App Store. If you're on an iPhone, that's the Apple App Store. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. Next, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Hamster Kombat. Make sure you spell it correctly to find the right app. Hit search and wait for the results to load. You'll see a list of results. Look for the one with the cute hamster icon and the name Hamster Kombat. Make sure it's the official version by checking the developer's name. It should be Fun Game Studios. Once you've found the right app, tap on it to open the app page. Here, you'll see the Install button if you're on Android, or the Get button if you're on iOS. Tap that button, and the download will start. After the app has finished downloading, you can open it directly from the App Store by tapping Open. Alternatively, you can find the Hamster Kombat icon on your home screen and tap it to launch the game. When you open Hamster Kombat for the first time, you'll need to set up your profile. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your avatar and choose your username. This step is super easy and only takes a minute. And that's it! You're now ready to dive into the world of Hamster Kombat and start battling with adorable hamsters. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tutorials. Have fun playing, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.